in this session, we cannot fix it all in a one step. Because from here to here, you need approximately 8,000 grafts. But in this session, we cannot harvest 8,000 from this donor. So that with new hairline, I can fix it 70-80% area with a great density. Or in the second step, we can fix it the crown easily.
Hi, my name is Daniel. This is David. He's a friend of mine. We are both from Portugal, and I am surprising him with a hair transplant.
I'm gonna be a guide for you, but end of the day, it's your hair and your choice, you know. In the first impression, I can say that you have a curly hair, but we have very advantage about the curly hair, the coverage and the natural results. I'm gonna start from this line. Under the line and on the line, I'm gonna do big irregularities for the most natural result, and we are gonna use just single grafts. During the extraction part, we are gonna separate your seal and finest grafts for the frontal area. And also I'm gonna do the macro irregularities, as you can see, so that after 6 months, after 9 months, you will have a thick and the natural result. Are you okay with this plan?
Mm-hmm.
Are you happy?
Yes.
Yeah, after 6 months, you will be happier then. Yes.
I have a question, doctor.
Yeah,
Can I help shave his head?
you can shave if you want.
I can?
Yes, you can shave. Do you have experience about that?
I mean... you look better bald.
Hello, we got 4,700 grafts in the extraction part. He will have a good density, especially on the front. After 1 year, he will have a dense and natural result on the front and the middle.